In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code. So first, open up your browser and simply head over to code.visualstudio.com. And right off the bat, you'll see a button or link to download the software. So just click on it. So just wait until the installation is done. Then open up the downloaded file. And here, just follow all the on-screen prompts like accepting the agreement, additional tasks, and now press the install button. And once installed, you can open up VS Code and you'll see a clean editor interface ready for you to use. You can also head over to the extensions tab and install basics like Prettier or your preferred language support. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!